Hello and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you the best new tools inside the Unity Asset Store for the first half of the year 2023. Of course, this is only my personal opinion, and also I only have time to show the top 5 of my favorites. The first tool that I want to show you is FullRig. FullRig is a shader-based rope system that allows you to add and create these ropes inside your scene that behave very realistic. As you can see, this tool makes it super easy to connect and disconnect your ropes, as well as snapping them to any game object in your scene. The next tool that I want to show you is from the same creator, and it's called Megabook II. Megabook II lets you create fully animated books for a game that have a nice page turning animation, as well as the possibility to create and add game objects to these pages that are then attached to the page and will move with the page. The next tool that I want to show you is the second version of Marika Close. It is super easy to use and it will bring your character's clothes and hair to life. Next, let's talk about this beautiful asset here. It's called UI Particle Image and it lets you create particle effects for the UI. The normal particle system inside Unity doesn't support particle effects on the UI level, which is already enough to give this asset a right to exist. But this asset doesn't stop there. No, it also supports features such as attractors, masking, trails, and much more. The last asset is actually one of my favorites. It's called Fast LOD and it creates LODs during runtime. That means that this asset will reduce the polygons and the vertices in your models during runtime depending on how far you stand away from them. And this is super helpful and opens the door to a whole new world of awesome assets. Because before there were so many awesome assets that you couldn't use in your high-end projects because these assets didn't have LODs. But now you can use all of the assets that are looking great but don't have LODs because you can just add this script and then they will have a LOD. Welcome to the end of this video. Hit the subscribe button to stay updated. Also, if you need some high quality assets for your game or like our channel and want to support us, feel free to check out our assets at the Unity or Unreal Asset Store. You'll find the link to our store pages in the description. I hope you learned something new and see you next time.